Hi everyone, welcome back to BMC English. Friends, my name is Binu and I am back with a grand new video. You have been learning English for a while now and you feel like you are not improving as much as you used to when you first started. Then this video is for you. Let me begin this way. Any amount of deep study of roadmap can never make anyone reach those beautiful places and experience them. I mean, knowing is not enough, we must apply it, take action, isn't it? In the same manner, if you want to improve your communication skill, this skill doesn't come over a night. It requires a lot of hard work, dedication, patience and determination from your side. I mean, you have to work smart. So in this video, we are going to talk about how you can easily, quickly and effectively speak English. And I'm sure that if you follow these basic principles which I'm going to explain, sure enough, you will improve your communication skills and you can speak English confidently. So I encourage you to explore the English language specifically, interestingly and intensively. Yes, your ability to communicate with other people could be one of your most valuable assets. Developing and refreshing this method will make a remarkable change in your language. So, are you ready to take your language, English language, to the next level? If the answer is yes, follow the tips. Tip number 1. Have a big ambition. Your being ambitious is the foremost requirement to learn English language. If your ambition is strong enough, you are bound to improve your communication skills. So if you are passionate about it, you will realize it. So dare to experiment. Convince yourself that you too can learn English and speak English confidently. Tip number 2. Goal setting. What is a goal? A goal is an object, a purpose being acted upon. One of the best ways to improve your communication skill is to set goals. We speak of many things parrot-like, but we never do them. Speaking and not doing has become almost our habit. So if you want to speak English, set an active goal. When you are having an active goal, it is going to be different. So the goal must motivate you, inspire you every day. And you must ask what you can do today, tomorrow, next week and next month to improve your communication skills. Work hard for it. And I'm sure that all this technique will help you a lot to improve your communication skills. Tip number 3. Listen and learn. Yes, listening is one of the best tools to improve your communications and develop your language. When you listen, you must become an active listener. Active listening is a focused listening, and focused listening will give you an interactive experience. So listen to a lot of English every day regularly. In this age of internet, it doesn't matter where you live. You have always the rich content to listen to it. So you can watch your favorite English programs in the TV. You can listen to English radio in the internet, and you can listen to some audio books. All this will give you ample of opportunity to improve your listening skill as well as your speaking skills. Tip number 4. Develop reading habits. Reading is an essential part of learning any language. What happens when you read something? It expands your knowledge and as well as you are exposed to different level of your vocabulary. So when you read your favorite books or magazine, whatever is handy, pay close attention to it. Pay attention to the language structure, sentence structure, language pattern, language usages. Apply it in your daily conversation. It's the best way to improve your communication. Tip number 5. Develop writing skills. Yes, writing is also an essential part of learning a new language. So actually there are mainly two ways through which we communicate, through speaking and through writing. So make sure that you spend a quality time every day to write something. You can start in a simple way. Keep an English diary and write your routine works in it. Or write whatever comes in your mind in it, in English. It must be in English. This is the surest way of improving a language. Last but very important one. Speak a little English every day. Yes, one of the best and most useful way to improve communication skill is to speak with someone. Make sure that you put yourself in an English environment where you can naturally develop your communication skills. So all these techniques applied every day regularly. Let me remind you, you become what you consistently practice. So practice. That is the mantra of developing your communication skills. Follow all these tips very regularly without fail. Sure enough, you will see transformation in your life. Thank you very much for watching BMC English. Hope this lesson has been very useful to you. If it has been very useful, please give me a thumbs up. I will be back soon with another lesson. Till then, bye.